Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Spyderco Rubicon here with me for a quick review. This is a pretty interesting solution from Spyderco. It's going to be overall 7.5 inch long with 4.5 inch long handle and 3.25 inch long blade. It's a very interesting knife. It has some flaws, as you can see, but we're going to discuss more in depth in the full-length review. But this has very cool 3D milled carbon fiber with nice inlaid G10 pivot collar scales. Liner lock, full titanium liners with the G10 spiky backspacer going on. Very cool and unusual blade shape. Nice hollow grind. S30V, sorry. Pocket clip is titanium. Not really a fan of this guy. Overall, it's nicely built, designed by Peter Carey, and it sounds so good. The action, it's not so good, but hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.